Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, this case is made by Ringke. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Ringke Fusion. All right, this is anti-fingerprint technology, compatible with Google Pixel 7 Pro, and it's a sturdy back TPU bumper, smudge-proof. Now, I hope this doesn't have a frosted back either. Good God. Matte smoked black. All right, we'll see how that goes. Now, you can get a matte smoked black, or you can get the clear matte clear. I got the matte smoked black. You get a $1 off when you click the coupon, $14.99 on Prime. All right. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the wrapper right here. Pretty simple, eco-friendly Ringke right there. Not much else on it. They keep it simple. Let's peel this out. And let's pull this out right here. You know, where he got the extra literature there for you if you need it, but we don't need that. And we'll peel off this plastic on the back. It's got a frosted back, I believe. I don't think I'm going to like that too much. And it's got a tab inside. They make the tab easy to get off. So it does have a frosted back, somewhat, a matte back anyway. Now, it doesn't feel too bad. The sides feel sticky at least. And it's got that kind of smoke black sides right there, right? Now, opening for the charging port and your speakers right there. You got a lanyard opening, your volume up and down rocker. This one is textured, the power button is. And the middle wave is covered. This is the mic hole right here. And you got some bolstered corners right there, as you can see. Let's see, and you got the Ringke branding. Notice another lanyard open right there. Ringke branding on this side right here, okay? But you got two sides with lanyard opening, okay? So it might be, I haven't seen this one before. They usually make a smoke and a clear one without this hard back. It's all TPU. But we'll see how this one feels and looks, okay? Now, let's get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, here's the Pixel 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and put it inside and see how this fits and how it looks, all right? Hopefully everything turns out fine. So it fits nicely. Now, I do have that sticky feel on the sides like I'm normally used to. And it's kind of got that smoke side right there. Still, you know, not the darkest smoke I've seen, but still smoke. And you got the hard PC back. Now, it doesn't feel too bad. It's a little more smooth than normal. Not that sticky, but the sides are sticky, okay? So you're going to be all right there. I think that helps with fingerprints smudge on the back. You know, you got some sticky back on the back right here. That's that TPU right there. And the camera area is TPU as well. This is hard plastic right here. But you can see the camera is well protected. No problem there. Everything is all protected. Now you're going to get some lip on the front. Nice lip on the front so you can protect the front right there. You see that's raised up. And the sides come up decent. So protect the sides, not accidental touches won't happen either. Everything lines up on the bottom. You can see that. And you get the mic hole lined up as well, right? Everything lines up there. All right, now the power button works well and it's textured, so you'll be able to differentiate this from the power button. So that's pretty cool. Now, nice slim case. This is what you want if you want something that's not too big, but it's going to give you good protection. You can't throw it across the room, but it does help with minor drops and scratches, okay? Now, let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. So it picked up wireless charge. I didn't get the animation, but it did pick up wireless charge. So wireless charge works there. Let's see what happens when you stand it up. So it picked up wireless charge standing up. Let's see what happens when you lay it down. So wireless charge when you lay it down as well, right? So case works well in all positions. No problem. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion case for the Pixel 7 Pro. This is the smoke black version, hard PC back. All right, now it feels good. I think I would have liked if all the whole case was TPU and not that hard back, but it's all good. I still like the case better than some of the other ones I've gotten, and it offers good grip. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.